Hi, I'm Lisa. This lesson is on the verb be with singular statements and contractions. I am a teacher. You are a student. He is a musician. She is a singer. Tea. Oh, it is coffee. Look at these examples of affirmative statements with be. I am a teacher. You are a student. He is a musician. She is a singer. It is coffee. We use am with I. We use are with you. We use is with he, she, or it. We often use contractions, especially when we speak. For example, I am a teacher becomes I'm a teacher. You are a student becomes you're a student. He is a musician becomes he's a musician. She is a singer becomes she's a singer. It is coffee becomes it's coffee. These are affirmative statements or true statements. We use negative statements to say something is not true. For negative statements, use not. Look at these examples of negative statements. I am not a student. You are not a teacher. He is not a singer. She is not a musician. It is not tea. We often use negative contractions, especially when we speak. There is only one way to make a contraction with I am not. For example, I'm not a student. There are two ways to make negative contractions with you, he, she, and it. For example, you're not a teacher. You aren't a teacher. He's not a singer. He isn't a singer. She's not a musician. She isn't a musician. It's not tea. It isn't tea.